Did you know more than 75% of world's computers are powered by Windows? Thanks for tuning in, folks. In today's Witty Word, let's see what's new in Windows 11. After upgrading to Windows 11, we see that the startup time is much faster now when compared to Windows 10. Once you log in, you see that the design aesthetics have changed completely. The boxy interface has been updated to the glassy rounded edges in Windows 11. This sleek interface looks cool and elegant. The Start button is in the center now in the form of a dock, quite similar to what we see in Mac. The layout of the Start menu consists of apps, recommendations based on your interest, and recently opened documents. The appearance of your desktop is even more customizable now. You can create up to 6 different themes for varying objectives. If you simultaneously work on multiple windows, you can arrange them using snap layouts. Windows memorizes your snap layout for future use. This is quite handy when connecting back and forth to external monitors. The widget screen slides in from the left, just like in Android or iPhones. You can customize them for news feeds, weather forecast, your favorite football team's live score updates, and much more. Gamers are going to have a great time with Windows 11. To enhance your gaming experience, Windows 11 supports Auto HDR and direct storage. It also comes with Xbox Game Pass for a select list of games. Windows 11 now supports Android apps. Yeah, you heard it right. Now, you can have the pleasure of running your favorite Android apps on PC too. However, it comes with a catch. It needs Amazon App Store to sideload your Android apps. Let's check out the minimum requirements for Windows 11. 4 gigs of RAM, 64 gigs of storage, 720p display. All these are like borderline okay, but here comes the tricky bit. Your processor needs to clock more than 1 GHz with 2 or more cores and a compatible 64-bit processor. Really, Microsoft? You just left behind a million PCs or more. These high requirements can be a neck breaker for a lot of people. That's not how tech should ideally work, but Microsoft says they are mostly to enhance system security. Let's look at some of the other cool updates worth mentioning. The famous blue screen of death has gone all black, kind of retro. The system tray interface is mindfully composed and looks elegant. The voice typing feature now supports punctuations automatically, thanks to AI. And that's about it, guys. What do you think about Windows 11? Let us know in the comment section below. Until next time, thanks for watching. Cheers.